Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop, and today we are starting right away because we have got a lot to cover. In the meantime, I found the piece that broke off and decided what to do with it. The best possible solution seems to be first resquaring the piece to make the pattern a bit wavy, and then upsetting it quite aggressively to create kind of thick coin. I know it's quite a bad idea, but it is the only solution that I can think of that will expose the Damascus pattern. By the way, it's quite interesting how my expectations turned from yeah, we are gonna be making this big knife to hey, at least knife, you know? Maybe a tiny dagger, you know, this. However, it is at least something. Now the forging is done, so the last thing to do is to etch it. And for that we need acid or etching liquid, specifically ferric chloride. Yes, ferric chloride. Where to get it? You can buy it, it's quite expensive, and it is delivered as concentrated liquid, so it's quite problem to find delivery service, because traditional services like PPL or DHL won't accept it, or they will charge huge amount of money. And also in the European Union there are some restrictions on this chemical, so only companies can buy it, so it's better to make your own ferric chloride. And for that you need just two common ingredients. First of all, hydrochloric acid, also known as muriatic acid, and hydrogen peroxide. First of all, you need to collect some junk from your workshop and dissolve it in the acid. You must use at least half a liter and let it sit for at least 2 days in some well ventilated area. You really don't want it in cellar or in the house because you will poison somebody. After those 2 days you will just pour off the yellowish green liquid into the second container and add the hydrogen peroxide 10 to 20 milliliters to form deep brown liquid. And this liquid is the etching solution we wanted to make.